A storm at sea has damaged an oil rig. Oil spills from rupture at a constant rate of 60 feet per minute, forming a slit that is roughly circular in shape and 3 inches thick. First, we need to jot down the information given. The information given is the height is equal to 3 inch. So we need to convert from inch into feet. So 3/12 is equal to 0.25 feet. Okay, after we done converting from inch to feet, we can start differentiate the volume in cylinder shape. So the volume is equals to pi r squared h. So dV over dt is equal to pi dr over dt. Okay, so we can simplify it. It will become dv over dt equals to 0.5 pi and 0.5 pi times r dr dt. The question is, how fast is the radius of the slit increasing when the radius is 70 feet?
Okay, for the question, we give radius equals 70 feet. And then for these two information, we substitute into equation. So we will get 60 equal 0.5 pi times 70 times dr over dt, and then find dr over dt. We get 60 over 0.5 pi times 70. So we will get dr over dt equal 0.55 feet per minute. Why is per minute? Because radius over times, so we will get feet over minute. That's the answer.
Suppose the rupture is repaired in such a way that the flow is shut off instantaneously. If the radius of the slit is increasing at the rate of 0.2 feet per minute when the flow stops, what is the total volume of oil that spilled onto the sea?
Okay, from the question given gives the information which is dr over dt equals to 0.2. So the question asks how many volume of the oil that spilled into the sea. So before we can find the volume, we need to find the radius. So we will enter the information given, which is 0.2, into this equation, and the dv over dt that we get from previous question, we need to substitute into this equation. So when we substitute into this equation, we will get 60 equals to 0.5 pi radius so when we rearrange the equation, make the radius as the subject, we will get so enter the value into the calculator. The radius is 191 feet. Okay, so when we already get the radius, we enter the value, which is 191 feet, into the volume equation, equals to 0.25 pi 191 feet squared. So get the value into the calculator. The final answer we will get the volume or that split into the sea is 28,652 feet cube. So that's the answer for the second question.